You can not only add 2D images, but also convert them into 3D models with our AI tool. Sometimes it works well, sometimes not. Let's try it with this funny toy. Click Add Furniture, More, My Items, Add Item, Import Photo, and choose an image from your device. When the app asks, convert this photo to a 3D model, click Yes. During the import process, we can fill in the product info. The category isn't correct, so let's select Toy. Done. The conversion is complete. Click the item and check it. Looks fine enough for a small item. The default size is okay too. Done. We can place it on a table for testing. Using this feature, you can add simple decor pieces.